Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Yeah, my people. Big up on yourself. Blessings. Don't know the thing, man. Attacking boss there. You understand? Giving thanks to life, man. Look out the road, people. Look. Long time I didn't see out the road. I know a long time you will not show out the road. Show out the road and do some driving, man. Idea, yeah, man. You know, long when I do them thing, go round the roundabout, my people. You know what I mean? Go round the roundabout. Hey, wait, you know what I mean? Yeah, I'm there, sure. Just go around it and scroll through, my people. You know what I mean? So you're attacking boss to it, you know. My boy's done this so like you or something. So, alright, come back NEWLINK. Alright, so today now. What we are gonna talk about you now? Why? Because I see this thing from the other day. A lot of people must say attacking boss. You never talk about it in why? Me know. That talk about Ziddy. Look at you when you have Ziddy done. So Ziddy done here now, my people. Look at Ziddy. Right now they have Ziddy like I look a booming ball, you know. You know a booming ball? Tennis ball. You know when you're playing cricket or something, you know cricket? And you have that little booming ball and you lick it, you lick it. You know what I mean? Yeah, booming ball. Them have Ziddy like a little booming ball right now, my people. You get what I'm saying? Like a little booming ball. Lick him there, lick him here, lick him everywhere. And when I say lick my people, I not talk sense here. Lick. I talk every time already. You understand? Okay. So, what do you know? Zin? Mrs. Ziddy now. Daddy. Come forward now. I never see him enough from Mrs. Ziddy much years now. I never see no daddy people. I don't know say Ziddy a daddy. I tell you the truth. I don't know say a daddy. But now I see one Rasta now. With nothing at the pan top and picky on a chin now. Come forward, same as Ziddy daddy. A daddy if you 2 years come, say Ziddy come and say daddy. But Rasta ball out, cry out, say need him son. And say them have him son captive. But with Rasta now, my people are looking to certain things, you know. Me and Rasta say, nah, get nothing from his son. Look at Ziddy, you know, get nothing on this and that. People. So them say now, what Ziddy they like the people, them not treat him good, them this and them that and that and that and that and that. And me I look into it and I say, attacking boss trouble there, you know. Attacking boss problem there, you know. And that me I said to myself, you know, people. Me say, look at now. You see what them do too? Mackerel. You see candy. Gully bop. Right down the line, people. How much people used to get a look a break? Anytime I look a thing for go on for them, they mash you up. Look how long Ziddy they are going and takes people in the street and I do this and I do that, my people. You never see them come forward. Never. I thought. You never see no daddy. You never see no police in a glass. Yes, you squad me attack you too. Nobody never see you in a glass. You never see Parliament. You never see nobody. You never see nothing at the head and picky on a chin. You never see none of them. But now, you see the whole of them are run come. Where family they did they now? Family are come now. What? This are Rasta sitting here now when you hot topic. You know. We say artist with Ziddy under the song. Shake it, George again. You got it. You gotta shake what George again. Like the song. The other song was Ziddy the one he said, good on panic. Give me panic. Yeah. Take what he bought them girl like criminal. Skiddy run things now. You understand? Two good song. Who behind them there? The production, so the youth when you meds are when you meds are, I don't know when you. So they must see him respond to the song them. He might see the manager at the time, because I'm not a manager no more them say. Set up IG page and all of them set the film. IG page a big superstar like my father even follow my people. For Ziddy. Big superstar my father follow it. So now my people, everything a crash now because family come forward and say the youth not treat him good. Them say this and that go on. You know what I mean? Ziddy has suffered that and that and only person. Your voice not leak with Ziddy, you cry like a baby, me see this and that go on. People, the youth is sick. The youth sick. You understand? A reality. Him brain is not like for me and your people. The youth brain not 100. And that's something I'm born with. See? And truth of the matter is, people, he's been used, yes. He's been used. But what me as a family? What me could wait? What me could just grade this, sir? Are you a topic? A foreign you want run go now? A foreign you want go in a topic? So you just feel now, say, so you drop a song with Ziddy. Boom, boom, them a run with it. The street a run with it. You know? Cause I know you in a hot topic. Nobody not see you in a. People say Ziddy in a brother. Nobody say you. People say Ziddy. People say Ziddy. Love Ziddy. He make them laugh. See? But you know want the strength because of Ziddy. So anyway, Ziddy gonna see you in a video. You come forward now. Ziddy the barber. You show up your face. You do this. You try to build yourself, brother. Everybody try to build themselves now. And pull the youth away from it. Yo, honest people. Indeed I eat food though. But there's as I say people, the truth of the matter is he ain't deal it good on the even other side when they the other side when they where the other youth where they say I manage him ain't deal it straight. They might treat him certain way good, yes, but certain cause hear me I say. Number one, he's a young local youth. A local thing I go on for him while he go local place and him get a local dollar. And me you talk, brother, in a company interview, the ex-manager, and you say, you don't get local bookings and local ads and something. See? Now I go say a bag of money because I know a thing go. But me I say, real level, you could do what my local account for him. You could do what my local bank account for him when you have a local change in there or something. Anything can happen, you know you're sick on them thing there. See? Now, I mean a spot now, my people, now position right now. Where me hear Ziddy I go talk, the other problem when them monks now take him for more idiot and more fool. Come here, them I go talk about when Ben's there. And them I go talk about in Ben's there around the sun, he have a key and in this and in he had a car. Ziddy always scare, man. The youth brain 100 people need to see that. He have some big speech and I'm heading up people. And when I tell him something, he can remember it, not just like when he can go in our studio and go record a song and people, even though them put it together, you know. But he still, you know what I mean? But he's not 100 like me and you people. Yeah? And them a man now, we take him both family. I think I love them, I deal it. I think I really love. I gain. But you see what they do, they rush things. They better than they make the youth stay around the people until things start going certain way, then they do what them do. Make you get that chip fly up, man. Kind of get it, you know? You know, get it. A chance if you get it, because you know about management, man. Topic. You know, look at you youth now to get that strength, brother. Me are telling you, shoot me, I'm not fool. I say the song big. I share the song in my community already, people, and I say it with the man topic. See, but see where I reach to people, I say topic them a user right now. When I use them for care own image, care on yourself. Nobody never know your topic. See? Now, who is it now? Who is it now? Eh? What I do with him now? Anything I tell him, I go talk about him force it, they force him for this, they force him that. Him said on both sides. When him there on the other people, I say no one left. When him left now, you know. But that one thing I tell you, no I got to do Ziddy right now. Kill him look hype him have. Kill him look career we have. Finish him, write him off, sink him done. Yeah. That thing I got to do to him now. In a life in a people. You see, family, then can build it, but then can break it right down the quickest and the fastest way. Remember me tell you now. Me say family, then can build it, but then can break your ground the quickest and the fastest way. And I see one right now in action here. You see it? And I put it in my mouth on him, I wish bad against the people. But based on what we see my people, this is not sound of daily things. Then I need to look at you, right? You think I saw them, this not really right? Use and sabotage. Eh? Look at the look at you. Honestly, it's down to live better. A big song them have in a people. A two big song. Yo, things that work out for him because I can tell us say, right now promoter gear up for booking overseas. Because if you can Ziddy go Canada right now, Canada full up America. One Caribbean country on this what man I take people. Ziddy I got theory done. People are gonna come for him because me will pay if you go see him perform right now. Me say me attacking boss will pay if you go see him right now. And from me feel for pay. Thousands of people feel the same way. Promoter knows so they can get the money off him. But what I got to do now? Hot topic, me know you want to build yourself. Me know you want the strength, brother. See? I mean, I do this to hype the body, you know. Me I do this to truth. See? But look here, man. If I love you now late, no, brother. When you deal with love with him. See? Stop hype up on yourself. Whatever you have with the youth, we have the IG page with that manager. When you try to talk and be man to man and fix it. Because Ziddy did they run him so long. Why you know when you see same as use him? Why you know when you see same as abuse him? Why now when things are go certain way? Eh? Why now? And I something now look. Tell me say I something now look. All along in the run him, hitch up, sit down, whatever in there. Why no? What squad did there all along? Squad send it there, when did they? Yo, listen, my man, yo. I like the people make people fall, man. The youth could have eat a good food, you know. It in the pipeline. But when I say management we did there before, we start sit up and look what on film. See? Me know that do that thing. Me not fool. We need to do a thing for him. See? Because when me look on some video first, before Ziddy come around, when I miss some video, people have him like, oh, look how retarded youth in the street. But when make things kind of change up for him. Me talk it through. So Rasta daddy all you, natty pan tap and picky that chin, take back the Rasta from you because you definitely a scammer. My people, peace out here, man. I go another place now because I go look on bread now. You know, I feel for some egg. I'm check now on the bread, you know, home. So go another grocery store, I go look at bread. Nice look at bread with some butter in it or something. I get an egg with some onion and sweet pepper. Yeah, some of the little people, you know, match up something in idea and drink a supper, you know. Yeah, man, and then I don't know where I go. I say I go, man, match up something. Because I have to take care of your body, you know, people. Now, one thing when I feel hungry, people, and I feel for nothing, I go feed. That's it. Rather spend half a whole lot of money on food and have the money and waste on liquor and waste, you know, food. I have to eat food, that's it, man. So my people, peace out here, man. Enough love and enough respect, that's it. Yeah, man. Like them type of vlogger, you know, yo. I miss them a vlogger and be started, you know. I miss them a care and vlog and I show people this and that, you know. And now people say the original NEWLINK that up and dirty face NEWLINK for a long time. I saw we know NEWLINK. Dirty thinking face boy NEWLINK. Eh? Look on him too. See him there. Is it? Enough love my people, peace out. Atmosphere in the morning, I feel good, man. They can even want left the vlogger. What? No, so I should go take all the boots a shot. Oh, I'm going to take a boots.